unit has a really nice hairline. This unit doesn't look too wiggy, like Alien versus Predator, you know, those type of wigs. I don't know if this wig look like that, but to me, I don't really think it does. I think this unit is very cute though. There's like some humpage up here. Wait, maybe that's where all the space is. It's up here. That's where all the space is, y'all. So all the space is up here in this unit. And here is the little ponytail that this unit come with. It come with a little, this hair feels really soft, y'all. You can see this. Alright ladies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. So first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the specs about this unit. Now this unit is really bomb, y'all. Like this unit is really cute, especially since we are finally bringing back the headband wigs, y'all. Like I remember back in the day, my mama, she used to wear this headband. It was a black headband, and it was like the wig that came out like right here. It was like a bob wig. My mom, she wore that wig everywhere she went, and by me adding the headband into this wig kind of bring back memories of my mom back in the 90s whenever I saw that we are bringing back the headband wigs. Now I think this unit is actually perfect for a headband wig. I did see I Fancy Cupcakes, also known as Brittany. She did a review on headband wigs, and then I started seeing a lot more girls doing headband wigs. Now those wigs are human hair wigs, and they may be a little bit pricier, but if you are like me and you're living paycheck to paycheck and you want a budget and you have kids and you still want to look cute but you're still in the budget, I do feel like this unit will do the trick for you. So if you didn't want to be left out of the headband wig gang, then I would suggest for you to purchase this unit. Now I will say this unit is actually a pre-braided styled unit. Now in the beginning of the video, you kind of did see that it was styled up into a half up, half down with two braids to the side. Then you also saw that I actually went ahead and straightened the hair out and kind of decided how I wanted to style this unit, if you understand what I'm saying. Now, I did pair this wig with this colorful headband right here. If you are interested in this headband, I do have a video that will be coming right after this video where I will be reviewing these headband wigs that I found on Amazon for really cheap. So if you are trying to buy a wig, or you could just grab one of your lace front wigs out of your closet, girl, and buy these headband wigs off of Amazon and go on about your day. Like, it's that easy. I can say that it does mimic some human hair. I can say that for sure. When it came to trying to style this unit numerous of ways, I did notice that this unit kind of decided to tangle on the ends, but it's one of those kind of units that will tangle, but it just, like, you know what I'm saying, like the tangles just snap back in place, if you guys understand what I'm saying there. This unit is kind of on the pricier side. I do believe that this unit is about $50 to $60 for this unit, but y'all, keep in mind though that with this unit, they do have this unit that comes in, it's a blowout straight and a yaki straight. So this right here is the blowout straight, I believe, and then they also have a yaki texture like this one, but it's just in a yaki texture. I did use my straightening comb to try to get the humps and the lumps out of this wig, and I did go on as well with my blow dryer to try to lay this unit as flat as I possibly could. I did not glue this wig down, so I do suggest for you ladies to glue this wig down, because if you're trying to wear it up in a half up, half down style, you're most definitely going to have to glue the wig down. Whenever you do put this wig on, I'm going to tell you guys this right now. In the beginning of the video, I did say that this unit was not big head friendly, but I will say that this unit is more than likely small to medium size heads. Now, I did notice that when it was in the half up, half down style, that it wasn't a lot of room, but as soon as I took it down out of the half up, half down style, it's like the wig just got bigger. So that's probably why. So keep that in mind, that since it's a half up, half down style, it's gonna feel like it's tighter. So when you take it down, you're gonna have a lot of room inside of this wig for sure. Well, if you have a small to medium sized head. I really think that if your head is on the bigger side, that your head is gonna be able to get into this unit, but you can try, braid your hair down as flat as you can possibly get it, and just see if you can work with it. But I really do think that this unit looks really cute, y'all. I really do. Also, I can say that the lace has a really good tint to it. So for my brown skin girls, I can say that this unit will actually lay really good whenever you do melt your lace. I can say that whenever you melt your lace, that it will be a flawless melt with this unit. So Outre, you did a really good job with this unit, and I think that everyone is most definitely going to love this unit. Even more when they can see that they can use a headband with this unit. Like, this is really cute. And it's even better if you're like a mom like me and you're always on the go. I think this is a very stylish look. You can put any type of headband, whatever, and you can go on about your business. I'm gonna go ahead and let you ladies go, but thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. It was really nice of you to stop by today. If you're interested, please subscribe. Well, please come back, and if you want more content, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you ladies in my next video.